Hey everyone, this is Xiwei here. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own virtual assistants via Telegram Chatbots API. So this is a product overview of our application. So first thing first, what is our application? So our application provides learners with a special educational experience and how to create their own Telegram chatbots based on the Telegram Chatbots API. So this is what we call the digital assistant. So our application is unlike the traditional tutorial. We provide a combination of theory and practice. So the user will not only be able to learn the basic theory, as well they will be able to try it out themselves on the spot. They can modify the code and run it. So by the end of the tutorial or our learning experience, the user will be able to have their own ready-to-use Telegram Chatbot API, and they can deploy it to Lambda, have their own serverless application. Before we start, let's take a look at our target customers. So we have drawn up this user persona. So Sam Thompson, who is about 24 years old, who have never worked in IT domain, but he wants to make a career switch into the IT domain. So he wants to have some basic experience in the IT domain to try things out before he actually make this career switch. He has some kind of experience, but not in the IT domain, as you can see from here. But he is kind of into programming, so he has tried some basic stuff, but he has never had any real hands-on experience. So bear that in mind, that's our user persona. So based on that, we have identified our customer needs. So our customers are very busy working adults. They want to have a learning experience that's very manageable, and they want to have a very detailed step-by-step learning experience. And also, as I mentioned, he has some coding experience, but he has never worked on any real-life projects. As our customers are very busy, it might be the case they will only be able to have small bite-sized learning, so they might be distracted by other stuff like their work. So they want to be able to return it quickly, and they also want to have some hints when they are stuck in the problems. And they also want to have a working prototype that they can modify the code, and they will be able to customize it so they have their own product. So based on all those customer needs, we have created a step-by-step learning experience. First thing, our whole project is presented in many small steps, so they can do some bite-sized learning experience, go to do something else, and then come back. And it will be easy for them to pick up again because each step has very informative descriptions, and the guidance is very clear. Second, engaging external API integration. So the main thing for our program is to teach them how to use the Telegram Chatbots API. We have introduced various methods, and also we show them how to use public API. For example, we use the case of getting a random image. Other than the public API, we also show how to engage proprietary APIs such as Google Doc and Google Drive API. After finishing that part, they will be able to read data from the Google Sheets, and they will be able to post data into the Google Sheets. Last, our customers want to have real-life experience. They want to have experience on some projects. So our path is designed in a way that is based on real-life use cases. We have many small parts, and each part is a real business case. Our user will be able to combine different parts together, and they can create their own customized experience or customized application. Now let's take a look at what the user could achieve after they learn with us.